I just got this new shower head and I thought I would do a quick unboxing video for you. It's an AquaCare brand, an AquaCare handheld shower. So we open it up, let's have a look. It comes with a small roll of white Teflon tape and an extra rubber gasket here. This is the piece that actually screws onto the metal pipe that comes out of your wall. This is an extra piece that holds the shower head if you want. So the piece on the metal pipe here has a spot to hold the shower head, and there's another piece here that you can stick on the wall in any location to hold it. Here is the shower head itself inside of a nice bubble wrap bag. Then you have this hose here. This hose is what screws onto the piece on your shower head. And the other end screws onto the shower head itself, of course. And it comes with a simple kind of one page of instructions.
I'll provide a link to the installation video in the description and at the end of this video. But for now, let's go ahead and skip to the review of the shower head itself after it's installed. Let's do a quick review of the different settings on this shower head. So setting number 1 uses the sort of inner nozzles and creates a sort of misting sensation there. The next setting gives more of a general flow and a little bit of flow in the internal nozzles. Number 3 is kind of a nice solid pressure all the way around the perimeter nozzles there. Number 4 is kind of the same, but it also adds in those 3 larger jets that are in the center of the shower head. And number 5 is just those center nozzles, the 3 center nozzles that are pretty strong there. And the last setting is one that doesn't quite turn it all the way off, but it pretty much stops the flow kind of on purpose if for some reason you just need a very small amount of flow coming out there. Another cool thing about this shower head nozzle is it has a couple of settings on the back here. You can actually blast water out of the back side of this nozzle here, and you might wonder, well, why would I want to do that? Well, I'll show you. Setting number 1 is kind of a wide fanning sensation. You can use this, as you can imagine, to kind of get some powerful spraying action if you really need to get a kind of deep cleaning sensation, or if you're just cleaning the inside of your shower out. And then in the middle setting here is kind of off, and to the right is a really strong jet that you can use to clean your shower. And that comes in pretty handy for cleaning reasons. Once again, this is the AquaCare shower head. I will put a link to this product in the description of this video. We really did like it. We got a pretty good deal on this on Amazon on I think Black Friday or something. It was on sale for a fairly affordable price. And I went ahead and got this and installed it, and it's really been great. Handheld shower heads like this do come in handy. I really do like it. It's the first one I've had, and it is, I think, a pretty big improvement over the old school kind of shower head. You can use it as you want. You can use it to get water in places it's hard to get normally. And like this one has the settings on the top of it, you can use to help you clean your shower out, which is nice. So I would give this thing a very positive rating, and I would recommend it to anyone that's looking for a new shower head. It's easy to install and it does do a good job. Once again, thanks for watching my video on this AquaCare shower head, and give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful tips.